Here's some useless facts, oh don't you see? Here's some useless facts for you and me. Here's some useless facts. Dang, I don't know what else to say. Well, useless facts.
Man, you know what's hilarious? When you're there, you're just in an office, just any kind of office. And you go, you see a printer with a scanner on the top, you just go and you sit your ass right on top of it, just photocopy it. Well, I've come to tell you, no, that's wrong. Did you know that 23% of all photocopier faults worldwide are caused by people sitting on them and photocopying their butts? So what you're doing is wrong, stop it. What the Anyway, hypocrites. Man, do I hate hypocrites. Okay, now listen to this. The inventor of the waffle iron didn't like waffles. I don't understand that. How are you going to invent something and, like, not use it for you? What's the point of it? Damn, that just makes me so mad. But it's whatever, I guess. I like waffles. He doesn't have to. It was good for me. What the I hate being gypped. I really hate when I do, like, some really hard work and I only get, like, a little bit of credit for it. I mean, at the time, you know, I thought, yeah, you know, I did that shit. But then when I find out that it got really big, and the person who, you know, took my idea and made it bigger, got more money than I did, that's what sucks. Because the creator of the Nike swoosh got paid only $35 for his damn design. You know how much money he should be making? That just sucks. I hate that.
In the name of art, Chris Burden arranged to be shot by a friend while another person photographed the event. He sold a series of pictures to an art dealer. He made $1,750 on the deal, but his hospital bill was $84,000.
Hey, just talk about stupid. Like, honestly, I would have thought I would have made some really good money off of that, but damn. $84,000. Well, there goes that money for the picture. Why shoot yourself? Who does that, really? Damn. Now that gets me mad. WTF. WT-freaking-F. What the And now you know a little bit more about something useless.
Bitches!
And I'm